My recommendation is to look for a GCF, but there is no GCF. My next recommendation is to use what's called trial and error. It's frustrating for some students to try that, but I want to point out that trial and error generally, if it's a small number, will work pretty nicely. This is what's called a try. Let's see if there's an error. What do you get? 4b squared plus 8b minus 5b minus 10. Does that work? Yeah, it does. You get 4b squared. 8b minus 5b is 3b, and you do get minus 10. This is the factorization for the problem. Another method students use, I'll go through this now, is what's called an AC method. They take a product of the first term, which is 4b squared, and the last term, which is minus 10. That's going to give me minus 40b squared. The need to find two factors when multiplied together would give you minus 40b squared. And when those same two factors are added, it would give you the middle term. You know what? I copied wrong, so let me just get my eraser out. That was 3. That would give me 3b. All right? So, you know, it looks pretty easy. It's going to be 8b and minus 5b. And why is that? 8b minus 5b would give you minus 40b squared, and 8b plus a minus 5b would give you 3b. Then what do? They rewrite this 4b squared plus 3b minus 10 in 4 terms, and those 4 terms are as follow. 4b squared plus 8b minus 5b minus 10. They're going to factor by grouping now. The first 2 terms, a common factor of 4b comes out, and we're left off with b plus 2. The second 2 terms, a common factor of minus 5 comes out, and you get b plus 2. I have 2 terms now, common factor is b plus 2. What's left over? 4b minus 5. Are we getting the same answers? Of course we are. b plus 2, 4b minus 5 are the 2 factors. Thank you.